how do you prepare for a board meeting? You may have seen our recent video here on this channel about what makes a successful board meeting. Today, we're going to focus more on the preparation. If you haven't checked out the other video, it's right here on our channel. Make sure you subscribe. Go check out our past videos after you finish this video. So how do you get ready for a good board meeting? So what you want to do if you're a director is you want to collect information. You want to be apprised of where the company is, what is the financial status, what is the cash position, what strategic transactions are being considered, what major issues are going on within the organization. The more you can know, the better. Now, if you're the company, if you're an officer or a director that's trying to facilitate a good board meeting, what do you want to supply to the board members? Exactly the types of things that I'm talking about here. A lot of companies will prepare a board package prior to the meeting, which has snapshots of various information. It may have financial statements, financial summaries. It might have draft documents if you're considering a transaction. For instance, if you're doing a financing, you would probably want to send drafts of the financing documents to the board members prior to the board meeting so that they can review them, so they can become familiar with them, so that they can potentially have questions or comments or thoughts for other board members, and that they can take all the information into account in the voting. If you're considering a strategic transaction, perhaps a partnership with another organization, well, tell us about the other organization. What is their background? What is their financial summary? What will the strategic transaction look like, and how will it alter current business relationships? The point being, the more that you can put information out there to your directors to make good decisions, the better and more informed they're going to be, the more robust the board conversation is going to be, and the better likely outcomes you're going to have because you're going to make fully informed decisions. Not only that, from a legal standpoint, and your lawyer can advise you on this, from a legal standpoint, having board members that are fully informed, that are considerate, that are working through the details will help protect liability for themselves and potentially the organization. So make sure you consult with your corporate lawyer as you're preparing, because there are smart things you can do to bring together liability protection, but also good business planning. Do you have questions about business law, business planning? Feel free to drop them below if they're general questions. But remember, YouTube is not confidential, so do not put any personal information or information you would not want the public to view there. But we do get inspired for videos through many of the comments here on YouTube. So feel free to drop comments. We may see something that we want to cover in a future video. Speaking of future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you can go check out our whole library of past videos on the channel. Look forward to seeing you again soon and reading your comments.